What are the three states of matter? They're solid, liquid, and gas. A substance's state depends on the speed and position of its atoms and can change with a change in temperature. Let's use water, H2O, for our example. At 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 degrees Celsius, and below, water is frozen in a solid state. This would look like ice. Within this ice, the atoms are very tightly bound and moving slowly. When you add heat, however, these solid atoms become farther apart and start moving faster and become a liquid. This liquid would look like water. Inside water, here's an image of the atoms, which would be moving faster and are further apart. If you heat this liquid even more, it turns into a gas. This happens at 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. In the physical, it would look like steam. The atoms in the steam would be further apart and moving very fast, as you can see in this image. This whole process goes in reverse when a substance is cooled. Here are some example problems which contain gases, liquids, and solids. As you can see, in chemical equations, the states of matter are represented by a lowercase g, L, or S in parentheses next to each element. Below are some examples. Here you can see next to H2O is a lowercase l in parentheses. This is representing that H2O is a liquid. Same goes for the hydrogen gas and oxygen gas in that equation. Here's a video in which you can see an example of solid ice as it melts into a liquid and then begins evaporation as a gas.